Hope you're all safe and sound at your home. There is a little change today in order to mark your attendance. I will ask some students to randomly turn on their cameras at any time. So please stay attentive and focus on the lecture. So today we are going to study second mandibular molar. Mandibular second permanent mandibular second molar. This is the first molar, second, and third molar. ओके अब सही आ रही है आवाज mandibular second molar arch position. The second molar is the seventh tooth from the midline in each mandibular quadrant. The mesial contact is shared with the permanent mandibular first molar, while distal contact with the permanent third molar occurs if and when that tooth erupts. It is also known as the 12-year molar due to its normal time of eruption. Turn off the cameras. Seher Ahmed, Dure Noor, Mohammad Mazhar Hamid, Fatma Jalal, Hamda Nadeem, Masuma Raza, Chaudhry Mohammad Zishan, नायला अब्दुल वहीद, नवाल जाहिद, नुमान जफर। आप अपने कैमरास ऑन कर लीजिए। आप अपने कैमरास ऑन कर लीजिए। जिन स्टूडेंट्स के मैंने नाम लिए वो फ़ौरन अपने कैमरास ऑन कर लें। आप लोगों की अटेंडेंस मार्क होगी। सहर अहमद, दूर नूर, मोहम्मद मजहर, फातिमा जलाल, हमदा नदीम, मासूमा रज़ा, चौधरी मोहम्मद ज़ीशान, नाइला, नवाल जाहिद, नुमान ज़फ़र। आप लोग अपने कैमरास ऑन कर लीजिए। I can only see Seher and Mazhar. Please, अदर स्टूडेंट्स जिनके मैंने नाम लिए हैं वो अपने कैमरास ऑन कर लें। यूनिवर्सल नंबरिंग सिस्टम क्या आएंगे? मैंडिबुलर राइट सेकंड मोलर 31, मैंडिबुलर लेफ्ट सेकंड मोलर 18, mandibular right first molar, mandibular left uh, second molar 7, mandibular right second molar 4 7, and left is 3 7. इसमें फर्स्ट लिखा हुआ है सेकेंड मोलर. The general form and function. The second molar resembles the first molar in many aspects, although it is more symmetrical and smaller in all dimensions. It has the last complicated occlusal design of any molar. Normally, only 4 cusps are present, and thus there is no distobuccal groove and no distal cusp. Functions क्या होंगे? Second molar complements the other molars in their grinding function. Developmental table initiation of calcification 2.5 to 3 years, completion of enamel 7 to 8 years, completion of eruption 11 to 13 years, completion of root 14 to 15 years. The second molar is not similar to the first molar, that mostly contrast with that of the tooth. Maybe made buccal aspect, general considerations. The buccal surface is trapezoidal like that of the first molar, but is shorter occlusal gingivally and narrow mesiodistally. Mesial margin, the mesial margin is similar to the first molars. It is convex in occlusal portion and concave in the uh, buccal portion. Sorry. It is convex in the occlusal portion and concave in the cervical portion. Distal margin, this outline is similar to that of the first molar. It is generally convex and more so than the mesial margin. Cervical margin, the cervical line normally has little curvature like that of the first molar, but some specimens may exhibit a sharp dip over the bifurcation area. Number of surfaces, uh, it has 5 surfaces: buccal, lingual, mesial, distal, occlusal. Number of roots, it has 2 roots. Okay, mesial and distal roots. Buccal aspect, geometrical outline trapezoidal with small uneven side located cervically. Anatomical landmarks, buccal developmental groove may end in a buccal pit. This is the buccal pit, trapezoidal shape. Mesiobuccal cusp is longer than distobuccal cusp. This is the mesiobuccal cusp. This is a distobuccal cusp. Mesiobuccal cusp is larger than the Distobuccal cusp. This is the um, pit, buccal pit. The roots are closer and nearly parallel with more pointed apex than 6. Lingual aspect. The crown cusps are more pointed than buccal cusp. Lingual developmental groove. Developmental groove uh, is pointed. Lingual developmental groove never pitted. The root, short root trunk with a developmental depression. नुमान ज़फ़र आपसे आप सबको मैंने कहा है कि नुमान ज़फ़र, नवाल ज़ाहिर, मोहम्मद ज़ीशान, मोहम्मद मासूमा रज़ा, हमदा नदीम, फातिमा जलाल, वेयर यू? आप लोग कहाँ पर हैं? कैमरा ऑन करें। ये लिंगुअल एस्पेक्ट में रूट क्या होगी? शॉर्ट रूट ट्रंक विद अ डेवलपमेंटल डिप्रेशन. Developmental depression. This is a root, mesial and lingual distal root, and developmental depression. This is lingual cusps are more pointy than buccal cusp. Mesial aspect, geometrical outline rhomboidal with lingual inclination. Mesial marginal ridges is concave. Mesial root is only visible. Longitudinal depression on the mesial surface of mesial root. ठीक है, longitudinal depression क्या होगा? Present होगा on the mesial surface of mesial root. ठीक है, geometrical outline क्या है? Rhomboidal shape है. Mesial marginal ridges is concave. Mesial root is only visible, and longitudinal depression on the mesial surface of the mesial root. Distal aspect. Distal marginal ridge is concave but less angular than mesial marginal ridges. Distal root is narrow than the mesial root, so both roots are same. Tibur Rahman, Veera Hussain, Zoha Said, Tazim Fatma, Insha Khabar, Faisal Shabir, Ifra Abid, Mariam Javed, आयशा फयाज. आप अपने कैमरा ऑन कर लीजिए. Now start the occlusal aspect. Geometric outline rectangular. Distal-lingual conversions. Mesiodistally is larger than buccolingual. ठीक है, mesiodistal larger than buccolingually. Mesially और distally क्या होगा? Larger होगा than buccal aspect और lingual aspect से. Four cusps with the triangular ridges. Mesial cusps are larger than distal cusp. Okay. This is the mesiobuccal cusp, distobuccal cusp, mesiolingual cusp, and distolingual cusp. four triangular ridges. This is the triangular ridges. This is the triangular ridges. This one, this one. Mesial and distal marginal ridges. This is the distal ridge, and this is the mesial marginal ridges. Okay. Four cusps present: mesiobuccal, distobuccal, mesiolingual, and डिस्टोलिंगुअल. ठीक है, और क्या है? मीजियल डिस्टल मार्जिनल रिजेस एंड मीजियल मार्जिनल रिजेस. डिप्रेशंस क्या होंगे? वन मेजर सेंट्रल फोसा विद सेंट्रल पिट. ठीक है, वन मेजर फोसा विद सेंट्रल पिट, two minor fossas, mesial and distal triangular fossas. This is triangular fossa, the distal triangular fossa. This is the mesial triangular fossa. Developmental grooves form a typical cross pattern. Supplemental grooves radiate from the developmental grooves. All grooves provide important escape phase for food during mastication. Pulp cavities, pulp chamber. Buccolingually, the pulp chamber is square. Mesodistally, the pulp chamber is rectangular. There is pulp horn beneath each cusp. Root canals, three main root canals. Mesial root usually has two root canals, while distal root has one root canal. Pulp cavities, cervical cross section, triangular due to small dimension distally. Mid root section, mesial root is kindly kidney shaped with the two small canals. ठीक है, mesial root क्या होगी? Kidney shape होगी, और क्या होगा? उसमें two small canals present. Distal root is oval with one large rounded canal. Variations and anomalies, crown anomalies are uncommon, although five specimens are occasionally seen. Root anomalies are more common and may be manifested in fused roots or irregular curvatures. Principal identifying features: rounded square occlusal outline, four cusps, two buccal, two lingual, note as white mesodistally S6. Buccal aspect has one groove occlusal aspect, many supplemental grooves on the occlusal surface, two roots which are less broad than 6 and close together. Mandibular second molar सेकेंड मोलर के क्राउन क्या होगा? फोर लोब्स होंगे. ठीक है, मेजियोबक्कल, डिस्टोबक्कल, मेजियोलिंगुअल, डिस्टोलिंगुअल. ठीक है, रूट्स कितनी होंगी? टू रूट्स होंगी. मेजर रूट होगी, डिस्टल रूट होगी. पल्प कैनाल्स क्या हैं? 2 और 3 हो सकती है. कस्प क्या है? मेजियोबक्कल कस्प है, डिस्टोबक्कल कस्प, मेजियोलिंगुअल कस्प एंड डिस्टोलिंगुअल कस्प. Ridges क्या होंगे? Cusp ridges on each cusp, mesial cusp ridge, distal cusp ridge, triangular ridge of the cusp, buccal ridge on buccal cusp, lingual ridge on lingual cusp, and marginal ridges mesial and distal. फोसस क्या होंगे? मेजियल ट्रायंगुलर फोसा एंड डिस्टल ट्रायंगुलर फोसा. ठीक है, आपके टू मेजर टू माइनर फोसास प्रेजेंट होंगे. mesial triangular fossa and distal triangular fossa. Grooves क्या होंगे? Typical have a plus pattern, RY pattern. Developmental groove, central developmental groove, ठीक है, buccal developmental groove, lingual developmental groove are at right angles to central groove. Pits क्या होंगे? Central pit, all grooves meet here, mesial pit and distal pit. Okay, any question in mandibular second molar? Any question in this topic? Mandibular second molar? पल्प कैविटीज, ठीक है, पल्प कैविटी के अंदर पल्प चैम्बर होता है. इसमें क्या होता है? बकोलिंगुअली द पल्प चैम्बर इज स्क्वायर. जब हम बकल और लिंगुअल एस्पेक्ट से देखते हैं तो पल्प चैम्बर क्या होगा? स्क्वायर शेप होगी. मीजोडिस्टली द पल्प चैम्बर इज रेक्टेंगुलर. ठीक है, बकोलिंगुअली क्या शेप होगी? स्क्वायर शेप होगी. मीजोडिस्टली जब हम देखते हैं तो पल्प चैम्बर क्या होगा? रेक्टेंगुलर शेप होगी. देयर इज पल्प फाउंड बीनेथ ईच cusp. ठीक है, दिस इज द पल्प हॉर्न. दिस इज द पल्प हॉर्न. ये क्या है? पल्प कैविटी है. ठीक है, और ये क्या है? पल्प कैनाल्स है. दिस वन पल्प कैनाल्स, और ये क्या है? पल्प चैम्बर्स. तो जो पल्प हॉर्न्स हैं, ठीक है, देयर इज पल्प हॉर्न बिनथ ईच कस्प. कस्प के दिस वन जो आपको पॉइंटेड एरिया नजर आ रहा है, दिस इज कॉल्ड द कस्प. ठीक है, दिस इज द पल्प हॉर्न. रूट कैनाल्स, थ्री मेन रूट कैनाल्स होती हैं. ठीक है, मीजियल रूट यूजुअली हैज टू रूट कैनाल्स. मीजियल की क्या होंगी? टू रूट कैनाल्स होंगी. और जो डिस्टल रूट हो गई उसमें वन रूट कैनाल हो. सर्वाइकल क्रॉस सेक्शन, जब आप पल्प कैविटीज का चैप्टर या यूनिट पढ़ेंगे तो उसमें हर आपको सर्वाइकल क्रॉस सेक्शन है, मिड रूट सेक्शन है, बकोलिंगुअली, मीजोडिस्टली, 4-5 जो हैं सेक्शंस करते हैं हम, और टूथ को जो है उनको पल्प कैविटीज को हम देखते हैं. ठीक है, अगर हम सर्वाइकल क्रॉस सेक्शन में देखते हैं तो क्या होगा? ट्राइंगुलर शेप होगा. ठीक है, ट्राइंगुलर ड्यू टू स्मॉल डायमेंशन डिस्टली. और मिड रूट सेक्शन में क्या होगा? कि मीजियल रूट जो होगी वो किडनी शेप होगी और विद टू स्मॉल कैनाल्स होंगी. और डिस्टल रूट क्या होगी? इज ओवल विद वन लार्ज राउंडेड कैनाल. ओके, नाइला आपको ये पॉइंट समझ आ गए? आइडेंटिफिकेशन, आप पूछ रहे हो कि आइडेंटिफिकेशन फीचर्स क्या होंगे? नंबर वन इज द राउंडेड स्क्वायर अक्लूजल आउटलाइन. ठीक है, जब आप पेंडिबुलर सेकंड मोलर को देखते हो तो आप उसमें फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जब आप देखोगे अक्लूजल आउटलाइन तो वो क्या होगी? राउंडेड स्क्वायर होगी. और फोर कस्प प्रेजेंट होते हैं, टू बकल, टू लिंगुअल. जो मैंडिबुलर फर्स्ट मोलर होता है उसमें क्या होता है? 5 कस्प होते हैं, 3 बकल होते हैं और 2 लिंगुअल होते हैं. not as wide mesodistally as 6. Buccal speck has one groove occlusal speck, many supplemental grooves on the occlusal surface. ठीक है. और जो मैंडिबुलर फर्स्ट मोलर होते हैं उसमें सप्लीमेंटल ग्रूव्स इतने ज़्यादा नहीं होते. इसमें क्या है, सप्लीमेंटल ग्रूव्स जो होते हैं वो प्रेजेंट होते हैं और टू रूट्स विच आर लेस ब्रॉड देन 6 एंड क्लोज टू गेटर. ओके. मेरा आपको समझ आ गई है कि क्या आइडेंटिफाइबल स्ट्रक्चर्स होंगे. Now we start the mandibular third molar. हाजरा हाजरा मोहम्मद अहमद जावेद, हिरा असलम, जवेरिया मकसूद, अमीना इशाक इसहाक, सहर अरशद, नूर फातिमा, शाहिद नवाज, अब्दुल्ला नईम, हुसैन जावेद, मोहम्मद समीर मकसूद. आप लोग अपना कैमरा ऑन कर लीजिए. Now start the mandibular third molar. ठीक है. This is the first molar, this is the second, this is the third. Arch position, the mandibular third molar occupies the eighth and last position from the midline in each mandibular quadrant. The mesial contact area is shared with the permanent second molar and there is no distal contact. It is also known as the lower wisdom tooth. ठीक है. मैंडिबुलर फर्स्ट मोलर को हम क्या कहते थे, 6 ईयर्स मोलर. सेकेंड मोलर को क्या कहते हैं, 12 ईयर्स मोलर. एंड थर्ड मोलर इज द विजडम टूथ. Mandibular right third molar 32 in universal number. Mandibular left third molar 17. Mandibular right and left 8, right and left quadrant. In FDI system 4-8 and 3-8. Development table mandibular third molar. Initiation of calcification 8 to 10 years. Completion of enamel 12 to 16 years. Adaptation 17 to 21 years. Completion of fruit 18 to 25 years. Crown form, the crown form is so variable that only generalization about two basic types will be made. Type 1, the type 1 crown resembles the permanent second model. It has 4 cusps and the same general counterparts and occlusal pattern. Second, this type resembles a permanent first molar with 5 cusps, a similar occlusal pattern and comparable counterparts. Third molars normally exhibit many more secondary grooves on the occlusal table, and it is even sometimes difficult to identify the primary grooves. The most common third molar are type 1 crown in conjunction with 2 root branches. Other crown forms range from 1 cusp drafts to 6 cusp specimens. Number of surfaces, it has 5 surfaces: buccal, lingual, mesial, distal, and occlusal. Buccal aspect, the third molar is either 4 or 5 cusp type. The buccal surface is convex. Two short roots, mesial and distal, may be fused in all or part of their length. The roots are more inclined distally than first and second molars. Mesial aspect. The buccal cusp tips are closer to the lingual cusp tips, giving a small occlusal table. Distal aspect. There is a distal conversion. Distal root is narrow than mesial root, so both roots are seen. Occlusal aspect. Geometric outline rectangular or oval. ठीक है, मैंडिबुलर सेकंड मोलर क्या था, रेक्टेंगुलर था. इसमें क्या होगा, रेक्टेंगुलर और ओवल शेप. There are numerous supplemental grooves and which give a wrinkled appearance. ठीक है, आपने देखा कि सेकंड मोलर इतनी ज्यादा नजर नहीं आते. जो थर्ड मोलर है इसमें क्या है, आपको दिस इज सप्लीमेंटल ग्रूव, और ये क्या है, wrinkle शेप आपको स्ट्रक्चर नजर आ रहा है अक्लूजल टेबल पर. There are numerous supplemental grooves and pits give a wrinkled appearance. The third molar shows a great variation in size. The pulp cavity also shows great variation in size and shape. The pulp chamber of 8 is larger than other molars by 9 to 11 years. Roots. Roots are also extremely variable in numbers, size, and curvatures. Single fused roots are common, as are two-rooted specimens similar to other mandibular molars. There may be as many as 8 roots, and curvature and fusions are partial fusion. Most often root length is less than other mandibular molars, regardless of the crown size. The most common root form revolves to short root branches. Variations and anomalies. Third molars are often congenitally missing or impacted. The area immediately distal to the third molar may be the site of supernumerary teeth. When present, they are normally impacted. Many of the numerous anomalies have been mentioned previously, but almost any structural anomaly conceivable is possible in third molars. Any question in mandibular third molar? Any question in third molar? Shehwar Ahmed, Aman Ahmed, Aisha Yusuf, Chaudhry Faisal Iftikhar, Sania Abid, Halima Sadia, Isha Kashif, Mariam Khan, Nimra Mahmood, Nurul and Umar, Seher Umar, Qadriya Javed, और आसफा फैसल, आप अपना कैमरा ऑन कर लीजिए। Start the डिफरेंस बिटवीन मैंडिबुलर फर्स्ट, सेकंड एंड थर्ड मोलर्स, ठीक है, जिसे हम कहते हैं ट्राइप्ट्रेट्स। मैंडिबुलर फर्स्ट मोलर 6 ईयर्स मोलर्स नेम्स, ठीक है। सेकंड मोलर को हम क्या कहते हैं, 12 ईयर मोलर, एंड थर्ड मोलर इज द विजडम। ट्रुथ नोमेनक्लेचर, राइट यूनिवर्सल नंबर में क्या होगा, 30 एंड 19 लेफ्ट, 31 एंड 18 राइट एंड लेफ्ट, 32 17 विजडम टूथ, ठीक है, थर्ड मोलर। In Palmer system, right and left 6, ठीक है, mandibular second molar 7 and the third molar is the 8. FDA system क्या होगा, 4 6 right, 3 6 first molar, and 4 7 3 7 right and left second molar, 4 8 3 8 is the third molar, right and left. Chronology, first evidence of calcification at birth, first molar, 2.5 to 3 years, second molar, and third molar 8 to 10 years में क्या होगा, फर्स्ट एविडेंस ऑफ कैल्सिफिकेशन स्टार्ट होगी। अरेप्शन क्या होगी, एरप्शन जो है 6 to 7 years होगी, मैंडिबुलर फर्स्ट मोलर, and second is 11 to 13 years, and third molar 17 to 21 years. Root complete 9 to 10 years, second molar 14 to 15 years, and third molar is 18 to 25 years. Developmental lobes, 5 lobes in mandibular first molar, 4 lobes second molar, and third molar 4 and 5 lobes. Tooth size, largest tooth in mandibular arch, smaller than first molar, smallest of mandibular molars. Number of cusps, 5 cusps इसमें होंगे, 3 आपके बकल होंगे, 2 लिंगुअल होगा, ठीक है, और 1 डिस्टल होगा, ठीक है, 2 बकल, 2 लिंगुअल, 1 डिस्टल। इन सेकंड मोलर क्या होगा, 2 बकल, 2 लिंगुअल, and third molar 2 buccal, 2 lingual. Variations less variable, less variable in second molar, highly variable can be 4 or 5 cusps like first molar, small or large may be congenital missing impacted common. Buccal aspect, mandibular first molar, and number of cusps on buccal aspect, 3 cusps, mesiobuccal, distobuccal and distal cusp. Mandibular second molar में क्या है, 2 mesiobuccal है और distobuccal. Mesiobuccal, distobuccal in third molar. Size of buccal cusp, mesiobuccal cusp is the largest. In mandibular second molar, both the buccal cusp nearly same size, and third molar, both the buccal cusp nearly same size. Mesodistal crown width, greatest mesodistal width among all permanent teeth. In second molar, mesodistal width less than first molar, and third molar, mesodistal width less. Mesodistal width at the cervical, crown narrow at cervical, crown appears broader at cervical due to absence of distal cusp. In third molar, broader at cervical. Relative crown dimension, mesodistal crown width is much greater than cervical occlusal height. In second molar, mesodistal crown width is slightly greater than cervico-occlusal height. In third molar, mesodistal crown may be equal to or other than cervical height. Crown height, crown appears shorter due to its greater mesial distal width. Crown is shorter at distal than mesial side. In second molar, crown appears longer. Its length nearly same, both mesially and distally. Crown height varies. 12-mental groove on buccal surface, two 12-mental grooves, mesiobuccal and distobuccal, long. In second molar, one buccal 12-mental groove, relatively shorter, also distobuccal 12-mental groove. Varies. Buccal 12-mental groove in 4 cusp type. Second is the buccal 12-mental groove in 5 cusp type. Buccal pit commonly present case can occur mesobuccal 12-mental grooves terminate in this pit. In second molar, less common. In third molar, varies. Visible of lingual cusp, since buccal cusps are blunt, the lingual cusps are visible from buccal view. The lingual cusps are visible in second molar, third molar, the lingual cusps are visible. Proximal contact areas, mesial and distal, at junction occlusal and middle third, at middle third, and middle third and distal middle third. In third molar, middle third and no distal contact. Crown taper to cervical, mesial to distal, outlines taper noticeably from contact areas to cervical line. In second molar, less tapering mesial and distal crown outline. In third molar, may or may not taper to cervical. Distal crown tilt, crown appears to be tilted to distal on root base due to shorter crown height distally. In second molar, not much distal tilt, may or may not show distal crown tilt. Occlusal surface tilt, occlusal surface slopes cervically from mesial to distal direction. Occlusal surface in horizontal, may be horizontal or slanting. Lingual aspect, lingual convergence, marking lingual convergence, no much tapering towards lingual can vary. इसमें different हो सकता है third molar में. Lingual surface narrow than the buccal surface since crown tapers towards lingual, nearly of some same width as buccal surface in second molar, narrow or of same width in third molar. Visibility of buccal profile and portion of proximal surface visible from lingual aspect and not visible in second molar. Third molar may or may not be visible. Lingual cusp longer and more pointed than the buccal cusp. Cusp visibility, lingual cusp and part of distal cusp visible, and the second molar only lingual cusp visible. In third molar, only lingual cusp like third molar, fourth cusp. Developmental grooves on lingual surface, lingual groove separates mesolingual and distal cusps. Lingual groove shorter and shorter are not present in third molar. Lingual pit often present, lingual groove terminate here. In second molar may be present, in third molar are usually absent. Lingual crown inclination over root base, crown more tilted lingually, moderately tilted lingually, and less tilt lingually in third molar. Contact areas, mesial contact area is smaller than distal as both contacts with the premolar on mesial side. In second molar, moderately tilted lingually, both contact areas are broader as the tooth contacts with molar on both sides. Broad mesial contact and non-distal contact. Height of contour, buccal contour at cervical third and lingual contour middle third. In second molar at cervical third and middle third lingual contour. At cervical third and middle third in third molar. Buccal cervical is more prominent. In second molar less prominent, and third molar is prominent. Occlusal surface visibility, greater occlusal surface visible from distal view. Occlusal surface visible from distal view can vary in third molar. Cusp seen from distal aspect, distal, distobuccal, distolingual cusp, distobuccal, distolingual cusp, distobuccal, distolingual cusp are present in mandibular third molar. Occlusal form in a mandibular first molar is a hexagonal with unequal size, rectangular with the opposing sides equal, and the third molars varies. Relative crown dimensions, mesodistal dimension much greater than buccolingual dimension. Mesodistal dimension slightly greater than buccolingual dimension. In third molar varies. Lingual convergence more pronounced taper, less taper in second molar, third molar less taper. Mesodistal crown width greater on buccal side than on lingual. Second molar nearly equal on buccal and lingual, and third is the nearly equal on buccal and lingual or greater buccal. Crown taper to distal buckling mark tipping towards the distal, less taper varies. In third molar, buccolingual width uh, uh, greater mesially than distally, nearly equal both on mesial and distal, and third molar varies. Cervical bulge not present, prominent cervical bulge at mesial buccal line angle, and third molar not present. Spacing between roots spread wide apart, closely spaced, sometimes partly fused, very close fused. Vertical axis of roots, mesial root straight or half length, then curved distally. Distal root slant distally for whole length. In second molar, both nearly parallel, both roots have more distal inclination. In third molar, straight curved distally. Segmental depressions on root extend longitudinally on both roots for entire length. In second molar, extend for only apical half of root length. Less marked depressions and absent. Variations less likely, more commonly supernumerary uh, roots, crop roots. Uh, any question in class trait, first, second, and third molars? Any question? Any question in class trait? ओके स्टूडेंट्स जिन्होंने कैमरास ऑन नहीं किए, दुरेनूर, फातिमा जमा जमा जलाल, हमदा नदीम, मासूम रजा, नवाल जायद, नुमान जफर, वीरा, हाजरा, अमीना इसहाक, नूरुल ऐन, फैसल, uh, आप लोगों ने कैमरास ऑन नहीं किए? Okay, any question? Now we start the difference between maxillary and mandibular molars. Maxillary molars and mandibular molars truth nomenclature universal में क्या होगा? Right 1 2 3, left 14 15 16, and mandibular में क्या होगा? 13 31 32, left 17 18 19. ठीक है? Palmar notation में क्या होगा? 6 7 8 6 7 8, and right में क्या होगा? Quadrant 6 7 8 and 6 7 8. FDI system में क्या होगा? 1 6 1 7 1 8, and left क्या होगा? 2 6 2 7 2 8. Right 4 6 4 7 4 8, left क्या होगा? 3 6 3 7 3 8. जनरल फीचर्स में क्या आ जाएगा? डेवलपमेंटल 4 to 5 lobes, 1 lobe for each cusp. In mandibular 4 to 5 lobes, 1 lobe for each cusp. Number of cusp in maxillary molars in general 3 large cusp and 1 small cusp. The distal lingual cusp, 3 large cusp make the maxillary molars primary cusp triangle. They are mesobuccal, mesolingual and distobuccal cusp. And accessory cusp is present only in first molar, cusp of Carablin. Inside molars in general 4 large cusp, 2 buccal, 2 lingual. First molar has 5 cusp. The additional small cusp is the distal cusp, no cusp of Carablin. Size of cusp, 2 buccal cusp are unequal. Mesobuccal cusp is larger than distobuccal cusp. In mandibular, 2 main buccal cusp, mesobuccal and distobuccal, are equal in size. 2 lingual cusps are unequal. Distal lingual is the smaller of all cusps. 2 lingual cusps are of equal size. Roots maxillary molars are 3 roots, 2 buccal, 1 palatal. Tripod arrangement gives good anchorage in alveolar bone. In mandibular molars, 2 roots, 1 mesial and 1 distal. Crown dimensions, buccolingual diameter is greater than the mesodistal diameter. In mandibular molars, mesodistal diameter is larger than buccolingual. Oblique ridge on a occlusal surface is a characteristic feature of maxillary molars. And mandibular molars, no oblique ridge present. एक specific structure जो आपको अगर याद भी नहीं, अगर उस टाइम आपको डिफरेंसेस में प्रॉब्लम हो रही है तो आपको मेन आपको पता होना चाहिए कि ऑब्लिक रिज क्या है, मैक्सिलरी मोलर्स में प्रेजेंट होती है और मैंडिबुलर मोलर्स में प्रेजेंट नहीं होती. नो ऑब्लिक रिज प्रेजेंट इन द मैंडिबुलर मोलर्स. बकल एस्पेक्ट क्या होगा? ट्रेपेजॉइडल होगा. मैंडिबुलर में भी ट्रेपेजॉइडल होगा. क्राउन विड्थ क्या है? नीचे डिस्टल विड्थ इज ग्रेटर देन सर्वाइको इंसाइजल क्राउन हाइट. In mandibular, mesial width is much greater than crown height. Buccal cusp sharp, blunt and often adritic. Lingual cusp are visible, only part of lingual cusp is visible from buccal view. All the cusps are visible from buccal view due to blunt buccal cusp. ठीक है. Maxillary में क्या होगा? Visibility of distal surface is visible because of crown form, and mandibular molars not visible from this view. Developmental grooves on buccal surface, one buccal groove separating the buccal cusp, and second molar, mandibular molars, 2 buccal grooves on first and third molars, 1 buccal groove, second and third molars. Contact areas mesial and distal at near the junction of the occlusal and middle third at middle third distal. At a near this junction of occlusal and middle third at middle third of the distal. Buccal surface relatively vertical. In mandibular, buccal surface bends lingually from middle third. Lingual spread geometrical form trapezoidal. In mandibular भी trapezoidal होगी. Lingual convergence, first molar non-lingual taper, less lingual convergence in second and third molars. In mandibular molars, marked lingual tripping of crown, especially in first molar. Visibility of proximal surfaces from lingual view. Portion of mesial surface visible from this view. portion of both mesial and distal surfaces visible from this view. Proximal aspects, geometrical form in maxillary molars are trapezoid, in mandibular rhomboidal. Lingual crown tilt upright over root base. In mandibular crown tilted lingually over the root base, a feature common to all the mandibular teeth. Buccal cervical ridge less prominent in mandibular molars, more prominent especially on first molar. Proximal surface. Proximal surface is distal surface narrow than mesial. In a mandibular molars, distal surface narrow than mesial. Occlusal aspect geometrical form क्या होगी rhomboidal with two acute and two obtuse angles. In mandibular quadrilateral, crown dimensions buccolingual diameter greater than mesodistal. In mandibular mesodistal diameter greater than buccolingual. Lingual convergence, no marked lingual convergence, crown convergence towards buccal in first molar. Mandibular marked lingual convergence in molars. Mesodistal width at lingual is greater than that buccal in first molar. In mesodistal dimensions greater buccally than lingually in mandibular molars. Crown tapers from mesial towards distal aspect. Crown tapers from mesial towards distal aspect. Buccolingual width greater mesially than distally, in mandibular molars. Number of cusps, first molar 5 cusps, second and third molars 4 cusps. In first molar 5 cusps and second molar's cusp, third molar 4 are 5 cusps. Accessory cusp of Caraballi on first molar, no accessory cusp, mandibular molars, largest cusp, mesiopalatal cusp, and mandibular mesiobuccal cusp. Size of lingual cusp unequally in size, in mandibular equally in size, buccal cusp sharp, in mandibular molars blunt and often effrated. Centric holding cusp, lingual cusp, and buccal cusp is in second molars, mandibular molars. Primary cusp triangle developmentally only 3 major cusps to buccal and mesolingual cusp are considered as primary. They make a triangular arrangement. Third molars, when not of normal size, tends to be smaller. When not of normal size, tends to larger. Third molar distal lingual cusp size decreases from first molar to third molar, in which it may be absent completely. No significant decreases in size. Oblique ridge running obliquely on occlusal surface formed by the union of distal ridge of mesopalatal cusp and triangular ridges of distrobuccal cusp. Most prominent on first molar and rarely visible on third molar. No oblique ridge present in the mandibular molars. Fossas, four fossas, two major fossas are central fossa and distal fossa, two minor fossas mesial and distal triangular fossa. मैंडिबुलर फोसा में टीथ में क्या होगा 3 फोसास होंगे मेजर सेंट्रल फोसा होगा और माइनर मीजियल एंड डिस्टल ट्रायंगुलर फोसा ग्रूव पैटर्न क्या होंगे नो नंबर वाई आर प्लस पैटर्न root number 3 roots to buccal 1 palatal 2 roots 1 mesial and distal size palatal root strongest and longest 2 roots are equal in size and length root trunk long short near to cervical line especially in second molar. Now maxillary and mandibular molars complete. What is this? ये कौन सा टूथ है और कौन सा स्पेक्ट है Okay. नुमान आप बताएं, ये कौन सा एस्पेक्ट है? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये बताएं कि ये मैंडिबुलर है या मैक्सिलरी मोलर्स है? आप कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करोगे कि ये मैक्सिलरी है या मैंडिबुलर मोलर है? नो, बकल एस्पेक्ट नहीं है। दिस इज द लिंगुअल सरफेस ऑफ द सेकंड मोलर, मैंडिबुलर सेकंड मोलर, ठीक है, लिंगुअल सरफेस है। ओके, व्हाट इज दिस? ये कौन सा एस्पेक्ट है? नो, दिस इज अ डिस्टल एस्पेक्ट, ठीक है। आपके जो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको पहले तो आप उसको आइडेंटिफाई इस तरीके से करते हो कि आप देखते हो कि ये मैंडिबुलर मोलर हैं, ठीक है। मैंडिबुलर में क्या होता है कि आपके जो रूट्स होती हैं डाउनवर्ड होती हैं, और जो आपके अपर होते हैं उसमें क्या होते हैं, रूट्स ऊपर की तरफ होती हैं। तो उस फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आप उसको इस तरीके से आइडेंटिफाई करते हो, ठीक है। और ये क्या है, आपके मैंडिबुलर 7 का डिस्टल एस्पेक्ट है। ओके, अच्छा, what is this? This occlusive specs. Very good, Hira. What is this? Occlusal spect 7, mandibular 7, ठीक है। What is this? आप कैसे इसको आइडेंटिफाई करोगे कि ये मीजल मार्जिनल रीच है और ये डिस्टल मार्जिनल रीच है? मीजल मार्जिन के आपका ये क्या है, मीजियोबकल जो है वो आपका लार्जेस्ट कस्प है, ठीक है। तो आप उसको आइडेंटिफाई करोगे मीजल मार्जिनल रीच, दिस इज अ डिस्टल मार्जिनल रीच। व्हाट इज दिस? डिस्टोलिंगुअल cusp, ठीक है। मैंडिबुलर सेकंड मोलर। व्हाट इज दिस? नाइला, आप बताइए व्हाट इज दिस? सेंट्रल ग्रोव, वेरी गुड। व्हाट इज दिस? ये कौन सा ग्रुप है? बकल डेवलपमेंटल ग्रुप, ठीक है। ऑन मैंडिबुलर सेकंड मोलर। व्हाट इज दिस? मीजल ट्रायंगुलर फोसा, ओके। दिस इज अ मीजल ट्रायंगुलर फोसा, मैंडिबुलर second molar. Okay, any question? Okay, then I am going off. Take care. Allah Hafiz.